Today, with the team of the PE teacher of Le Lycée Français de Los Angeles, we're gonna introduce you an activity, a circus art activity, how to jungle with 3 balls. So, in order to do that, for the material, of course, you need to have some balls. If you don't have any balls, you can take some socks, for example. You put it by pair, and you try to make it as a kind of a ball, and then you can jungle with that. But I'm sure you will find some ball at home, so the best to do is to take some ball. This is what I'm gonna do. So I'm doing it in English in order every student can understand it. Excuse my English, my French is a lot better. I'm gonna show you maybe later, but I'm gonna try it in English. So you have 3 balls to jungle with 3 balls, of course, in 2 hands. So it's tough. We're gonna try to learn it. I'm gonna teach you the technique to do it. We're gonna need 3 steps to be able to do it. Let's start right now. So first step, we're gonna put 2 balls away and start with just 1 ball. So first step is it's a really important one, because this is where I'm gonna show you the technique. First of all, you have to have your arm close to the body, okay? I don't want you to jungle like that because you're not going to be precise. So you keep your 2 arms along your body like that. Then you're going to throw the ball with your best hand, the strong one. You're going to throw the ball and try to throw it as high as like around this high, the front face, and then try to catch it back. So you take your best arm and do a bunch of try like that. The only thing you have to be careful is to keep your arm along your body and then not throw it too high, not for the moment. And then the last thing, you don't go and catch it high, okay? Beginners are all doing this. No, this is not what you are supposed to do. You have to wait until the ball is coming down here. Okay, so try a bunch of it with your strong hand, and then try it with the other one, which is harder. It's a bit too high, so I got to keep it this high, okay? So do it. This is the first step with 1 ball. Then, when you are comfortable in this exercise, let's move on to the next one. So, you're gonna go from one hand to the other one. So you have to go like this, try to put it in the middle, and put high to jump to arrive here. Same technique, keep your arm along your body, and then do not throw it too high, and do not go and catch it high also. So let's do it. Up, 1, 2, bit too high. It's even harder with the left one for me. Alright, this is like that. When you are able to do that, let's move on to the next step. Step number 2. We're going to take right away 3 balls, but 1 is going to stay here. You have to be used to catch the ball with another one in the hand. So let's try this. So let's try first to do like we did in the first step, but with 1 ball in the hand. You do like this, you do like this, you do like this, this. When you are able to do that, that's pretty good. Alright, then we're going to do what we did at the end of the step 1, moving the ball from the right side to the left side, okay? So I go like this and this. Je croise, je lance, je lance, je rattrape, je rattrape. 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 Ooh! So, as you can see, I'm waiting for the ball to catch it. I'm keeping my arm like that. I'm not like this. I'm not going to catch the ball over there. Always my hands are staying in this position, kind of. And then, what is really hard is the coordination. And also, you have this hand busy with 1 hand. You just hold it with the 2 last fingers, including the little one. And then you just work with the 3 fingers to throw it and catch the other one. Let's try it again. Respect the technique, it's easier. Lance, lance, rattrape, rattrape. 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 This is the step number 2. Alright, here we are. Step number 3. So, in order to be at this step, you need to really master the step number 2. Because if you are able to do that with the proper technique, so it's almost over. You're gonna be, the step number 3 gonna be easy for you. So, you do je lance, je lance, je rattrape, je rattrape. Instead of je rattrape, you had one more lancer from this one. So you just move this ball toward the 3 fingers and you launch it, and then let's see how it works. Je lance, je lance, je lance, je rattrape, je rattrape, je lance, je lance, je lance. And then you practice, and then you are able to do that. Alright, thank you very much. Let's see later on if we can see you doing this really well. For sure, we'll keep some lesson when we'll be back at school to see if you are able to jungle with 3 balls. Thank you very much.